How's it going? My name's Tucker from Contemporary Automotive. This right here is a beautiful 2018 BMW 4 Series 440xi that we just took in. I'm going to go over all the great features on this thing and just do an overall walkthrough. So let's hop right into it. Okay, starting out front, and summer is just around the corner. I know it might be cold, but you can always get your summer dreams started now. We have this beautiful car. LED headlights with the LED halo rings as well. The black sapphire paint looks so mean, so aggressive and sleek. The iconic front grille for BMW. Park sense as well, so if you get too close to anything that's close to you, it's gonna beep at you. And right down there, you're gonna have some fog lights as well. Taking a walk along the side of the car now, and as you can see, this thing looks so sporty. You have the body line down the side, and the low profile roof looks so nice. Right down here, you have 19-inch wheels, giving it such a nice look with some really big wheels with this convertible. Super well-equipped tires, gonna be able to handle and grip the road so nicely while you're driving. Huge brakes as well, so you can stop in a moment's notice, and just with those tires and the brakes, you're gonna be able to kind of drive it how you like and just get the full capability of driving this thing. As you can see, it does have the windowless frame. A really cool design by BMW. Both these come down at the same time. Give it a seamless look while the top's coming down and just that convertible look. Coming to the back now, you have such a sporty back end. You have the third taillight right here. If you want to get into the trunk, pop this open and it will pop open for you. And as you can see, you don't have a ton of space just because you have all the electronics for that retractable convertible top, but right under here you do have some space to put, a few groceries, stuff like that if you would like. So yeah, if say you want to take it out on the mountain roads one day, you have a little backpack full of stuff, full of snacks, you can fit it right down there. So really quick, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get this top down. You just hold the button and it starts right up for you. First, the windows will come down. And while it's doing that, I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the cool features. You actually have vents right here behind you. You also have the sport modes right next to you, because you can change on the fly just what sport mode you would like and what driving mode you would like, depending on what's the roads looking like. You also have a heads-up display as well. And as you can see, just like that, the top is down. What was that matter? 20 seconds? Okay, we're gonna jump inside now, and as you can see, I have the roof open. A lot easier to talk with the roof open than when it closed, but you're gonna be welcome to the two-tone look in here. The beige seating, you have the bucket seats up here as well as the beige seating back here, but a bunch of black aspects as well with the door cards, WeatherTech floor mats down there. So these seats are gonna be electronic. All the settings are gonna be electronic, whether you want to push it forward, all that. You actually can, right there down below, you have a little footrest, arm or leg rest that you can pull out. Really nice feature. Right there is going to be control to set the head rest as you would like. Right next to that is going to be control for the roof, the convertible roof, open and close it. Really nice feature. If you're at a stoplight, it's a really nice day out, you want to open, touch of a button, give it a few seconds, and now you have the top down. Right next to that is going to be the cluster to control the infotainment system, so you don't even need to you just, have one hand on the wheel and you can shift it and switch it how you like. Bunch of cool features. You have navigation you can change. You have Bluetooth radio, a bunch of settings you can control, and that infotainment system is going to have so much packed into it. A bunch of settings to kind of make the car your own and adjust it how you like. Below that is going to be all the buttons for the radio, the climate control, and all that. The heated seats are going to be controlled there as well. And turning to the steering wheel now, you're going to have a really nice leather wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters. So you get a really sporty feel in this really nice convertible sports car. It's going to have just under 50,000 miles. It's just about 48,000 miles on that turbocharged inline six. So really, really sporty feel to it, like I said, and a ton of life left in it. These things, if you treat them right, can go forever, and they won't let you down. Really, really nice interior. You have stereos back here for your rear passenger stereo right there. Again, a ton I'm not going over. I just don't have the time. Actually, on the other side of that steering wheel, you're gonna have some of the buttons to set adaptive cruise control and set it so lane keep assist. Again, super, super nice all the way around. You can sit in here for hours and just go over all the features in it. And if you have any more questions or you think that this one might be the one for you, please feel free to reach out anytime. Give us a call, come on in, take it for a test drive. It's a really, really cool and fun car. But yeah, we're located over in Milford, New Hampshire. We're at Route 101.